Hello 8th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We are discussing the lesson parallel lines. We have understood the examples and all the types of angles in the parallel lines, isn't it? So now coming to the worksheet 1. In the figure, L parallel to M parallel to N. 3 parallel lines are there and P is the transversal. And angle 1 is given, it is 110, and they have asked you to find out X, Y, Z, W. 4 angles you are asked to find. Is it clear? So it is first write given. As you know, you have to write given, what to find out and all, isn't it? Given L parallel to M parallel to N and P is the transversal and angle 1 is equal to 110. Now to find X, Y, Z and W. You can write angle X, angle Y, isn't it? And angle W. Okay, first this is 110, so X, how much it will be? Now you are confident, I feel, isn't it? You know all the angles. So 1 plus X, angle 1 plus angle X is equal to 180 degree. Why? They form a linear pair. You know angle 1 is given 110. So angle X is equal to 180. So angle X is equal to 180 minus 110, that is 70 degree. You got angle X. Now angle X is equal to angle Y. Y. Angle Y and X are equal. If you take L and M are 2 parallel lines and P is the transversal, on either side of the transversal but both are exterior, alternate exterior angles. Okay, now you write angle Y is equal to angle X is equal to 70 degree. Write Y, alternate exterior angles. Now tell the reason. Which all the lines? Line L parallel to M and P is the transversal. Because there are 3 parallel lines, isn't it? So you have to tell which parallel line you have taken into consideration. So Y also you got. Now Z. To get Z, Y and Z, what do they form? Y and Z, they form alternate interior, isn't it? If you take M and N and P is the transversal, Y you got, so Y and Z they form. So Z formation is there, alternate interior. So it is Z is equal to Y. Again Y you got 70. Y alternate interior. Here it is alternate interior because you are taking M and N, both are interior angles. M is parallel to N and P is the transversal. Okay. Now W, You can take Z plus W is equal to 180, that is linear pair. Angle Z plus angle W is equal to 180. Z you got 70, right, linear pair. Plus angle W is equal to 180. So angle W is equal to 180 minus 70, that is 110. Otherwise 1 and W, they are also equal. If you take L and M, L and N, don't take this L and N as the parallel lines, and P is the transversal. 1 is equal to W, alternate exterior. Okay, so either way you can do. So answer, you got X is equal to 70 degree, Y is equal to 70 degree, Z again it is 70 degree, but angle W is equal to 110 degree. Hope all students understood. So if there are many parallel lines, then you have to consider which two parallel lines you have to take, and which is the transversal, and which type of angles they form. Okay, so Y and X, when you take these two, Y and X, exterior, alternate exterior. First you got X is equal to 1 plus X, 180, that is linear pair. So X is equal to Y. Now Y is equal to Z. Why? Because they form the alternate interior. Then Z plus W is a linear pair, or W is equal to 180 because it is alternate exterior. So that was a question number 1. Now coming to the question number 2. In the quadrilateral ABCD, angle 1 and angle 2 is equal to 90. Already बोले हैं the angle 1 and 2 is equal to 90. Then you have to prove whether AD is parallel to BC. Justify your answer. You have to show that they are parallel. Justify means you have to write the reason. So given ABCD is a quadrilateral and angle 1 is equal to angle 2 is equal to 90 degree. Now to show that AD is parallel to BC. Solution: AD and BC are two lines and AB is the transversal. AD and BC are two lines. Any two lines, first you have to think like that, and AB is the transversal. Okay, but they have told angle 1 is equal to 90 degree, angle 2 is equal to 90 degree. When we see angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180. How? 90 plus 90, you got 180. So now, since angle 1 and angle 2 form co-interior angles, isn't it? Co-interior angles. So ट्रांसवर्सल के एक ही साइड और इंटीरियर है तो उनके सम 180 आएगा, तो देन दे आर co-interior angles are equal. Since 1 and 2 form co-interior angles, then AB is parallel to BC, isn't it? Co-interior angles and are supplementary. Co-interior angles are supplementary. You have to mention that also. That is why AD is parallel to BC. Therefore, hence it is proved. Which is the transversal? AB. Okay. Now coming to the third sum. Draw a line segment AB. Draw any line segment AB. Already I have drawn AB 6 centimeter. Take 2 points P and Q. Anywhere you take 2 points and draw perpendicular lines. Perpendicular means what? It is 90 degree. Perpendicular means the angles will be 90, isn't it? So this angle 1 and angle 2. This is angle 1 and angle 2. We are giving the name. Angle 1 and angle 2, they are 90. Why? Because they are perpendicular to AB. So what can you say about PR? PR and QS. PR is perpendicular to AB. QS is perpendicular to QB. Okay. Are they parallel? They have asked. So first you will write given AB line segment is equal to 6 centimeter. Now PR is perpendicular to AB and QS is perpendicular to AB. This much is given. Now what they have told? To show that are they parallel? To show that PR parallel to QS. You have to show. So solution. First you write PR is perpendicular to AB. Therefore, angle 1, we have given the name. Angle 1 is equal to 90 degree. Otherwise, you have to write RPQ. Now, QS is perpendicular to AB. Therefore, angle 2 is equal to 90 degree. This is angle 1. This is angle 2. Now, if you take PR and QS as two lines, so PR and QS are two lines and AB is the transversal. If you take it as the transversal, angle 1 is equal to angle 2 is equal to 90 degree. दोनों इक्वल है. कब जब दोनों एंगल्स इक्वल रहेगा तो दे आर ऑटोमेटिकली दे आर पैरेलल. कब वो इक्वल रहता है? पैरेलल लाइंस में. लेकिन कौन सा एंगल बने? ट्रांसवर्सल के एक ही साइड, ऐसे इस तरफ से देखोगे तो पैरेलल लाइंस के ऊपर ऊपर है ना, above the line. So 2 and 1. So which type of angles they form? Corresponding angles, isn't it? Since angle 1 and angle 2 they form corresponding angles, therefore PR is parallel to QS with AB as transversal. Hence proved. Hope everyone understood. Proving थोड़ा समझ के लेने का, कौन सा लाइंस को पैरेलल लिए, मतलब दो लाइंस, और कौन सा ट्रांसवर्सल, और कौन सा एंगल बनता है, फिर बोलो सिंस दे आर करस्पॉन्डिंग, दैट इज वाई करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स आर इक्वल, दैट इज वाई दोज टू लाइन्स आर पैरेलल टू ईच अदर. So we have completed 3 questions. Hope everyone understood this worksheet 1, 3 questions. Bye. Thank you.